question I get asked frequently is, my child has a heart murmur. What is a heart murmur? Well, perhaps the most important thing is what a heart murmur isn't. A heart murmur is not a disease. A heart murmur just means a sound that the heart is making. Now, we examine the heart by listening to the sounds it makes, the lub-dub sounds, the boom-boom sounds. A heart murmur means there's another sound that we hear, the sound of blood moving in the heart. Now, most commonly, this is just a normal sound, what's called an innocent murmur, which means a normal heart moving normal blood in a normal way. Sometimes the murmur might be there because there's an abnormal structure, either an opening between chambers that doesn't belong there, or a valve that doesn't open or close normally. So the pediatric cardiologist's job then is to listen to that murmur sound and distinguish whether this is an innocent, normal, healthy sound or a sound that represents a problem.